I think you might be right. The main person castle. I think we left it the right time. I don't know. We got the Rams now. They don't have as many options as we do now. Is the game over anyways? Or?
Is it?
I think so.
I don't know. I got shot in the head and had to walk back.
I don't know. That's what I was wondering. Did he mention that, or because
I don't think so, but sometimes they just
yeah. I think game's over anyways. Okay, where do I put my gun?
You don't have to carry the shield if you don't want to.
I don't?
You can just have an AK.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Okay.
You'll carry it?
We're reassigning agents. Okay. So, who wants to be Secret Service? I'm Secret Service. Has to go for a building, yeah. The president needs to reach one, that's how he wins the game.
I thought it was just at the end.
No. I mean, it's usually a building at the end.
Yeah, yeah.
I gotta go find him one. And then you'll tell all your agents where to take you.
Or take me to the local McDonald's.
Yeah. You wanted a Big Mac.
I did one. I have a whole special forces operation so I can get my Big Mac.
There's 5 people around you around the time.
We'll be McDonald's.
Build like a line of them to escort you.
I probably could.
Yeah.
I might just have them all huddle around me and we just run it to the left or right.
Circling you.
Yeah. We'll just become the ultimate fighting.
Have a shield on top, just